If you're an avid aerial photographer or videographer, drones are your ticket to the skies. The drone market is full of options offering a variety of features, video quality, and prices. Whatever your budget, there's something for every enthusiast. In this video, I've reviewed the best drones for you. Let's get started. Number 5. Holy Stone HS900. Weighing 249 grams, again, no FAA registration is required, and the portability is excellent. Despite its small size, it offers level 5 wind resistance and can stay stable in winds up to 24 miles per hour. But it's the camera that's the real deal. This drone offers a 4K camera equipped with a 48 megapixel Sony CMOS sensor. Your shots will always look detailed and vivid, whether it's sweeping coastal landscapes or close-ups. While drones in this price segment are usually stuck with 12 megapixel stills and 1080p video, the HS900 beats the competition by offering 4K video and 48 megapixel stills. Video can be shot in 4K at 30 frames per second and 1080p at 60 frames per second, and thanks to the 3-axis gimbal, your footage will always be stable and cinematic. Even on windy days, your footage will be recorded without shaking. Compared to Wi-Fi connectivity, the Holy Stone control system is significantly more powerful and offers improved transmission and stronger anti-interference compatibility. Smart GPS and auto-turn features mean no more worrying about losing your drone. Flight time is 30 minutes. Fast-charging batteries provide a full charge in 1 hour and offer a 6-kilometer flight range. A package like this at this price? Absolutely amazing. Number 4. DJI Avata 2 FPV, or first-person view drones, have increased in popularity in recent years, and if you want to experience this experience, DJI Avata 2 is for you. This model gives you the feeling of floating in the air with the FPV goggles that come with it. The new generation of in-body propeller guards provide extra protection when flying in tight spaces. Thanks to image stabilization technologies such as Rocksteady and Horizon Steady, it is possible to shoot smooth videos. And thanks to ultra-smooth video transmission, it offers the pleasure of flying in real time, without any delay or interruption in the image. The image quality from the micro OLED screens is sharp and bright, with no noticeable delay from the drone camera. It shoots up to 4K at 60 frames per second, up to 1080p at 120 frames per second, up to 130 megabits per second. And the most fun part? Gesture control. Instead of traditional joysticks, you can steer with hand gestures, making control much more intuitive and fun. On the camera side, it's capable of shooting 4K 60 FPS and capturing breathtaking images with a 155-degree ultra-wide-angle lens. It offers around 20 minutes of flight time, which is impressive for an FPV drone. In addition, the advanced return-to-home system ensures a safe return in case of loss of connection or low battery. Number 3. Ruko F11Pro 2. If image quality is paramount to you, the Ruko F11Pro 2 with 6K camera is for you. It features an 8-megapixel Sony 1/3.2-inch sensor with a fixed-focus f2 lens offering a 75-degree field of view. The Sony lens delivers ultra-vivid colors and crisp detail, outperforming competitors' 1080p and 4K cameras, especially the night mode, which ensures bright and clear images even in low-light conditions. It's a well-made drone with build quality that matches more expensive drones from bigger manufacturers. It comes with a pre-installed remote ID module, so you don't have to worry about buying anything extra. Wind resistance is advertised up to level 5, which equates to up to 24 miles per hour. Being able to tap to select different modes such as smart tracking mode and GPS flight path is a nice feature to quickly get to the content you're looking for. Plus, the 3-axis gimbal allows you to get smooth shots even in the wind or over rough terrain. With 70 minutes of flight time and a range of 3 kilometers, it's a great option for professional shooting. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3 Pro, the perfect choice for those looking for a high-end experience. Its Hasselblad camera and large sensor deliver 20 megapixel photos and superior color accuracy, allowing you to capture professional-grade images. The biggest difference is the triple camera system that comes with a Hasselblad main camera and 2 additional telephoto lenses. It offers excellent safety features such as collision avoidance, precise GPS positioning, and advanced return home. Intelligently tracks moving objects, automatically flies on a set route, creates time-lapse videos. Additionally, its 8-way obstacle detection system detects everything around you and avoids collisions. With a 43-minute flight time, 15-kilometer range, and integrated DJI RC controller, it delivers a seamless flying experience. Wind-resistant construction and advanced obstacle detection sensors make the flying experience both safe and smooth. Having 3 focal lengths in one drone is the biggest advancement in drone technology to date, and the freedom and flexibility it gives you is incredible. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro. With the Mini series, DJI has always aimed to offer lightweight yet powerful drones. It's ultra-light, weighs 249 grams, doesn't need FAA registration, and has great portability. Its 4K HDR camera and vertical video capture mode make it perfect for Instagram and TikTok content. One of the biggest pluses is its 48-megapixel camera with a 1x1.3-inch CMOS sensor. This camera can capture great shots even in low light thanks to its f1.7 aperture. It offers dual local ISO and a new night mode for better quality video in low light conditions. The Mini 4 Pro includes a 10-bit D-Log, so if you want to do your own color grading, this is definitely a very valuable feature. You don't want to attract too much attention when flying. The drone is pretty quiet. So many people won't even know you're flying it. Omnidirectional obstacle detection allows for safe flight even in trees and tight spaces. With 34 minutes of flight time, 20-kilometer range, and smart shooting modes, capturing professional images is now easy. With features like 360-degree obstacle detection and extended flight time, it's a great option for beginners and professionals alike. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and write your favorite in the comments. See you in the next video.